This section is the beginning of the Greenway. We conceptualized this design running from east to west. Just like water here in the Salt Lake Valley, we have snow that falls in the mountains and runs from east to west into the Great Salt Lake. We wanted to create a landscape that represented the first part of where that water fell. So you have these aspens, though they're not native aspens. These are a European, Swedish aspen. They can tolerate the lower altitudes and warmer temperatures compared to our native indigenous aspens. We have some granite boulders. These were brought in by the artists, but they also, to us, represent the glacial moraines that you would find in the canyons. And then from these boulders, we move into the meadow. And in the Alpine meadow, you'd have grasses, some mountain spirea, some columbines, just different plants that you would find at these higher elevations. And we brought them down here to, again, mimic that design of the Alpine section of the Greenway. So as we descend down the Alpine meadows, we come into this area where we start collecting some gravel, some boulders, and those represent a rivulet or runnel. As you descend from the mountains, as water starts percolating through all the different crevices and cracks, they start forming into little rivulets and streams, and from those we begin our descent down the canyon. This not only mimics maybe what you might see in the Alpine meadows of the mountains, but it acts as a functional piece for water collection. Any of the water that hits the hard surfaces here in the corridor is collected and gathered in these what we call rain gardens or rainwater harvesting landscape areas, and they act as clean filtration systems for our stormwater that we have in these urban environments.